Okay, we're outside waiting for Brigitte. There's Lucia. We are waiting for Brigitte. And I just noticed that there is a dead bird. Ya las ojos de verdad. Poor bird. Look at it. Ew. It's a bird. And I hope you let me see the bonita. The bird I used to take care of. And I feel bad for the bird because I love birds. It's one of my favorite animals. More than people, there it is. This is a good way to study a bird, actually. Because I've never touched birds before. And I never will. I only touched it one time and I think there was a bird inside. A baby bird. So I don't... Just took a feather off. So there you go. And you just see dead bird.
Uy, cochina.
I just see dead bird.
Rana, guarra, rat.
Oh, good boy. Ah! Just say that. That's your password. Yeah. Okay. So there you had it. A dead bird. Everybody knows that. Okay. Bye.